So, Kate, what do we buy today on today's impulse buy?
I believe a boat.
What kind of boat?
What kind of boat?
Yes, what kind of boat?
I don't know. I don't know.
So camera shy.
I don't know, Remy.
Yeah, a duck boat.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm currently getting drenched on in beautiful Irons, northern Michigan on Big Bass Lake. Where in today's video, we're going to be testing the $400 John boat with the long-tail duck motor and see if it works, so stay tuned. Let's start with a little bit of tour in the boat. As you can see, I'm just getting absolutely rained on, but it's got these nice lights for riding around at night. Little green and red. Is supposed to have a red there, but I think it broke off. I got bolts to fix that, but it's all powered by a Milwaukee kind of output there. It's kind of going up here. It's so clapped. This thing's just been beating the fuck through it. So I don't know. I gotta figure out how to get that better. But yeah, and then it's got a Predator 224 on it, and it cruises pretty good. Pretty nice little rig, and it leaks a lot. It's pretty beat. I mean, there's just like this whole bottom part is just beat. So I've been dumping Flex Seal. I just gotta do right under here somewhere. Fucking leaks just a little bit. But yeah, I think I'm gonna dump Flex Seal the entire bottom of this. I really should make it pretty sturdy too. But yeah, it's a nice little boat. Let's see. Alright, I'm getting pushed back. Yeah. Alright, ready? Here, watch out for this thing. We're going, baby. Give it a little more throttle. I just want to cruise with it for a second here. Better be recording, holy shit. You're good, Kate! So much better of a hand throttle, though. Some gas. There we go, baby. Just babying it. So badass. 400 bucks, baby. That bitch ain't leaking at all. We'll get across straight for this thing sinks. Actually, probably didn't open the throttle. There we go. Wow, that's got a wake. That's crazy. Way more Flex Seal. So sketchy.
Alright, let's get this bitch.
I made it! Grab the rope and hop off ship. But one sec, I'm coming, babe. Can your chick drive a truck and a trailer? I don't think so. Look, she's got her Celsius in hand like it's no other day. That's good. Stop. Getting too cocky at this thing, getting good at driving it. gonna try to back that trailer up? I hope she does. That'd be funny. I was gonna make her do it anyway. Alright, it's gonna get a little closer here. This is a little hot here.
Oh, she's trying to back it up. That's funny.
She's hilarious. She's giving it a good damn attempt there. What? No, you're backing it down. What?
That's where Brian hunts back there. It's a nice little river. Yeah. Oh my God. Put it in four-wheel, Brent. Put it in four-wheel. Then I have to walk back and get the Tundra.
You guys are gonna sing.
I'd hit it straight on. It hangs to the right, just a little bit.
You came through here already?
Yeah.
You did?
Don't worry, you're good. It's not coming up to the floor yet. All right, now it is. Oh my God! I got a foot of water in the floorboard.
Oh my God, there is.
I think so.
You can unplug it.
It's okay, we're good. Keep going. No, but it's good. This have no water in it. It blows my mind. You got a rubber on?
I got rubber.
Holy shit, that's the most American thing I've ever seen.
Oh, dude, that's a big bald eagle.
Yeah, you know what?
Yeah, it just flew, went just like this.
You know why I like the water? It attracts deer. A lot of them.
Who's Maggie sleeping with? Well, both of us. So I guess it's on us first.
Don't worry, we're gonna spray her down with the power washer.
You just missed a big ass bald eagle flew right over there.
Yeah, really?
Big one, yeah. Went right through there.
Oh my God.
Daddy would do the same thing. Oh my God.
But I didn't.
Oh, dude.
Neither does Maggie.
What'd you say? Are you laugh, I'm bringing out the